I'm Ryan Carpenter, the owner of Moberi, and I'm going to show you all how to make one of my favorite smoothies, the Turtle Power. This is the first smoothie I put on the menu for a reason. It's a great way to get your greens. I love ginger, it's got the perfect amount of it, and going into cold season, it's a great immune booster. I always start with liquids first, 8 ounces. Then we're gonna go with the banana, half of a banana. Greens, of course. Gotta have your greens. Freshly chopped ginger, about a half a tablespoon. I like a lot of ginger, so I'm gonna go full tablespoon today. That's totally up to you, how much ginger you want. And then mango. It's nice to have at least one frozen product in your smoothie. It helps with texture, makes it nice and thick. It's a pretty simple smoothie, and it's ready to blend. All right, got our freshly blended Turtle Power here. I like to make sure before I pour it out of the cup that it's all fully blended and it has the perfect texture. We're not gonna get any mango chunks or anything, and it looks good to go. So I'm gonna pour it out. There we go. Perfect amount. All right, and again, this is the Turtle Power, one of my personal favorites. It's what I drink all winter long. If you haven't been by Moberi in a while, come on by. We've got Turtle Power and a lot of other great healthy smoothies that'll keep you healthy through the winter. Cheers.